The bank says that this draws a line under the issue at stake here, and this is a potential calling for a splitting up or the spin-off of its Asian business. Do you agree?
Well, HSBC went into this AGM in a position of strength because their earnings results were very good. They reinstated their dividend. They announced a $2 billion share buyback. And at the same time, they've been divesting from some global businesses, such as Canada, such as the retail business in France, and the mass market banking business in the US. So that second point is important because that very much goes to what some of the shareholders had been concerned about, that its focus wasn't so much on the profitable Asian business. And to the first point on its strength and its strategy with good numbers, and also to a degree in contrast to some of the concerns that are being seen in the US, it was probably easier for them to defeat both Resolution 17 and 18 now.
So the question is, now they still have this biggest shareholder, Ping An Insurance, that is not satisfied. They still remain an important bridge. This is a Chinese investor. This is Chinese capital. So how are they going to manage this relationship?
But as you showed a few minutes ago on your screen, the overwhelming majority of shareholders voted against those two resolutions. And in fact, the vote percentage in favor is very much equivalent to their shareholding amount. So it doesn't look as though there's a lot of broad interest in these sorts of resolutions. I don't think HSBC has nearly as much to be concerned about today as maybe last week or even a few months ago.
So the question is there any need to keep this a shareholder happy, or do you think HSBC could likely see them sell out of the investment?
That's a good question. I don't know if they are compelled to keep a single shareholder happy. I think that's partly the mandate overall, to keep shareholders happy, to create value for all shareholders. And that really goes to the point that they've done that. They've done well in the latest period. And with reinstating the dividend and the share buyback, they're actually doing things that even this shareholder wants them to do. So I think as long as they continue with focusing their business on the most profitable parts of the world and keeping returns good, I think there will be maybe less pushback from this one large shareholder.